Wonder how I find time for my family and myself? Meet my newest cooking assistant, Turbo Cuisine. Turbo Cuisine makes cooking fast, delicious, and easy. I now have plenty options of recipes that inspire me every day. With its 10 automatic cooking programs, I can cook any recipe up to 3 times faster. I just drop all the ingredients into the pot. Its unique spherical shape will evenly diffuse the heat to cook a delicious meal. I choose the function with the knob, the timer is set, and the cooking starts. Then I can relax, unwind, and make time for the things I love. Last week, my kids and I experimented with the baking function. We made chocolate cupcakes, and they loved it. My kids are always excited to come see what I made. Plus, I never worry because the steam release is safe. Our home is filled with the beautiful smell of a perfectly cooked meal that we love. And now, we even have time for bedtime stories. Thank you, Turbo Cuisine.